Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in QuickBooks Online, whether you've entered a duplicate bill by mistake or need to remove an incorrect transaction. This quick process will help you clean up your expenses and keep your books accurate. First, navigate to the expenses section on the left side menu. Once you're there, click on Bills to open your complete list of bill transactions. This is where QuickBooks organizes all your vendor bills, making it easy to track what you owe and what you've already paid. Now you need to locate the specific bill you want to delete. QuickBooks organizes bills into 3 helpful tabs for review, unpaid, and paid. Click through these tabs to find your bill. For this example, let's say the bill we're looking for is sitting in the unpaid tab. This organization makes it simple to sort through your bills based on their current status. Once you've found the bill, look over to the action column on the right side of the row. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to the bill. Click on this arrow to reveal a menu of actions you can take with this bill. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Delete. QuickBooks takes financial accuracy seriously, so you'll likely see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete this bill. Simply click Yes to confirm, and the bill will be permanently removed from your records. There's also an alternative method if you prefer to review the bill before deleting it. From that same action drop-down, select View/Edit instead. This opens the full bill screen where you can see all the details. At the bottom of this screen, click on More to reveal additional options. From this menu, select Delete, then Confirm by clicking Yes when the prompt appears. This method is particularly useful if you want to double-check the bill details before removing it completely. Both methods achieve the same result, so choose whichever feels more comfortable for your workflow. Just remember that deleting a bill is permanent, so make sure you're removing the correct transaction before confirming. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.